Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, this is a very important episode. Not only that Bitcoin broke out here out of this symmetrical triangle as we all expected here within the last few days and weeks on our channel, guys. We will be talking about specific price targets we are targeting here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. We will be sharing with you our specific game plan. But even more important, guys, zooming out, look at the monthly candles. If you are zooming in here, you can see that this monthly candle was closing above this converging trend lines, indicating that we are going into the parabolic bull run. We have been sharing that here in this viral tweet. And guys, you know the deal. In 2012, we closed above and we went into the next parabolic bull run. In 2016, we closed above and we went into the next parabolic bull run towards 20,000 US dollars. And right now we are above once again, and we will be sharing with you exactly what we are expecting right now for Bitcoin, not only within the next few days but also for 2020 and 2021. And of course we will be sharing with you crazy on-chain data here, the US Dollar Tether exchange deposits reaching an unprecedented all-time high within a day actually. Let's zoom in here, guys. Look at this. This is an absolute crazy spike here. We will be talking about all of that, so make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button to at least 3,000 likes. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay guys, so we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price, and as you can see, Bitcoin decided here to break out bullishly out of the symmetrical triangle, just as we were anticipating it here within all our last videos. However, it is coming a few days earlier as expected, but guys, I do not want to complain. And of course we are going to talk about whether this 10,500 US dollar level is already the last stop here, or whether this is a pit stop and we will reach much higher price levels. And of course we will be showing you with you our exact price target and also my specific game plan here right now for Bitcoin. Big shout out to you guys. You took part at the poll yesterday and the majority was right here, just as you also anticipated here this breakout towards the upside. So the MMCrypto community, the majority was right once again. Big shout out to you. And before I'm going here into the technicals and into this crazy on-chain data right now, indicating that the waves are planning a massive move for Bitcoin towards the upside actually here for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Before I'm doing that, I wanted to take some seconds of appreciation, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button yesterday, for making noise on the video, because our video did not get shadow banned yesterday, and this was certainly because of you. We asked you to smash the like button to make noise for the algorithm, to show YouTube that this video is relevant, and our videos performed slightly above average, and this is most probably also because of you. So thank you so much for your support, guys. And now let's get straight into it. So first of all, we have been talking within the last few days and weeks, even like within the last 1 or 2 weeks, that this symmetrical triangle is most probably a bullish continuation pattern and that we are expecting a breakout towards the upside. We also told you that this one here was most probably a fake out. That's why we didn't trade this one. But guys, now it finally happened. We broke out towards the upside, and look at this specific price target. We stopped approximately at the 10,400 US dollar level, and of course we were all anticipating this here as the first pit stop, because if we are zooming out on the daily candles, you can basically see that this is a very important level for the Bitcoin price, and we have to close above it. In fact, if we are drawing here this rectangle, you can see that 10,000 to 10,500 US dollars have been a significant resistance here within all the last pumps. In fact, guys, if you look at this Xi Jinping pump here, the China pump in October 2019, it was stopped out here at 10,500 US dollars. Then we had the pre-corona dump here with this inverse head and shoulders pattern breaking out, also here ending at 10,500 US dollars. And right now here recently we got rejected, and this time again we got rejected at this specific price level here at 10,500 US dollars. So I want to put something out here. We need not a daily, we need a weekly close. Let me go here to the weekly candles. We need a weekly close above this specific price level, guys, to say with a very high degree of certainty that we are breaking key market structure here decisively. So in case we are closing a weekly candle above, let me call that here, guys. I am calling that with a high degree of certainty, if we close a weekly candle above, we will reach the 11,800 US dollars, and also price targets of 14,000 US dollars will be like butter for us. But guys, this is not a daily candle. We need a weekly candle close above, and in case we are closing this above, guys, we will for sure be targeting price levels of 11,800 and also 14,000 US dollars. But before this happens, this will be most probably some kind of a bumpy ride. Now here being on the weekly candles, let me pull out the EMA weekly ribbon. And if you are a follower of our channel, you saw us calling here a bullish reversal once this EMA weekly ribbon actually flipped. And we got a lot of hate here from many people, but we stick to that because we knew historically always when this EMA weekly ribbon flips, so when the shorter term moving averages, this yellow one, goes above the longer term moving averages, then we are going into a severe bull trend. In fact, you can see that also here happening approximately at the price levels of 7,000. We went all the way up to 14,000, but it gets even more clear if you are going here back into the last bull market, and if you are looking here in 2015 in December, this was actually the start of the parabolic bull market, bull run, when we flipped this one here bullish, when this yellow line, the yellow moving average on the EMA weekly ribbon, went above the longer term moving averages. You can see this was the start here, this was the end of the bull market, it was the start of this parabolic bull run here, and also of course it was the start of us breaking out of this very annoying huge converging trend lines here, and we will come to that later on. And the Bitcoin price went all the way up to 20,000 US dollars. The exact same thing happened here 2 weeks ago, and right now we are also targeting a parabolic bull run towards 2020, 2021. Does that mean we will not have any pullbacks on the weekly candles, on the daily candles, on the 3-day candles? Of course not. Of course we will get these rejections. In fact, within bull markets we are seeing up to 45% retracements. This is completely normal for Bitcoin. So of course on the trading perspective we are having short-term trades which we are closing every now and then, but our long-term holding portfolio just sits there, and the 45% retracement, for example from 20,000 US dollars down to 12,000 US dollars, I do not effing care about that, guys, and I hope you don't care about that as well. So once again here, going back to the 4-hourly candles, I just wanted to show you, just to make sure, here our price target for Bitcoin, if I'm eliminating here this EMA week ribbon, this has in fact not changed, guys, because if we are taking this over right now to the point of the breakout, because now we know the point of the breakout, and we are zooming out a little bit, you can see that we have a price target of 11,400, 11,500 US dollars. But guys, as you know, we have to surpass this 10,500 US dollar level. Then we will be targeting 11,500, maybe even up to 11,800 US dollars, the recent CME gap from 2019. And also, of course, this is the cherry on top of that. After 11,500, 11,800 US dollars, as I told you, if we are closing a weekly above the 10,500 US dollar level, we will have here 14,000 as the next price target. And I can tell you guys, it will be not very hard to reach in case we are closing a weekly candle above the 10.5k mark. But now, guys, this is what I want you to take away from this. This is what I'm most excited about this. Look at this. If we are going to the monthly candles, we have been talking about that in this viral tweet here with more than 1,500 likes. The people have been going crazy about it. CZ from Twitter was actually retweeting it, and many other celebrities. And we have been talking about these converging trend lines, and every single cycle we have these converging trend lines here leading Bitcoin towards a massive breakout immediately after the halving. We have been calling that here prior to this breakout. And if we are zooming into it, first of all, guys, look at this. Every single time after the halving we had this breakout towards new all-time highs, right here also in 2016, 2017, right here to 20,000 US dollars. And right now, look at this, guys. This looks like this monthly candle. This is the monthly candle, and of course we have 30 more days to go, guys, so don't get too excited. But this monthly candle is right now closing above this converging trend line, above this resistance line. And of course, if this June closes above that, we need a monthly candle close above that. This is why we are here for, guys. You know, MMCrypto is also about the long term. If we are closing the monthly candle above that, guys, Wow, then I can tell you guys, we will be off to the races. We need a monthly candle close above. This is 29 more days. So guys, let's put an alert and let's see how this monthly candle closes. You see, whenever we closed a monthly candle above, guys, you saw what happened. We were going to the next all-time high, forming a new triangle here. So let's hope this is the signal for the next 2 years. The same thing happened here in 2012. We closed a monthly candle above and bam, guys, look at this. I mean, we can really hope that yeah, this one here, this monthly candle closes above approximately the 9,800 US dollar levels. The odds are right now in our favor, so let's see how this plays out for us. And here it comes, guys. You know that the MMCrypto community, the majority of the MMCrypto community was right within the last few weeks. And I wanted to know from you today, guys, do you think we will be closing the monthly candle above and go here into the next parabolic bull run? Let me know in the poll, which is popping up on top of the screen right now. Click the poll right now and let me know yes or no. Are we going to close above this specific trend line here? You know it will be extremely important here for the key market structure for Bitcoin. And now, guys, you have been waiting for that. Thank you so much for sticking until the end. And this was certainly very important because I want to show to you the most important on-chain metric to keep an eye on right now. Look at this. The Bitcoin price in orange and the US dollar tether exchange deposits in green. And if you look at this, we had the biggest US dollar tether exchange deposits in the history of Bitcoin and US dollar tether. This one here was shooting within a day from 9,700 US dollar tether deposits to, look at this, 23,000 US dollar tether deposits. And you know the deal. We have been talking about this specific metric for weeks, for months now, about this on-chain US dollar exchange deposits here. And you know that if you have US dollar tether on exchanges, you can do basically one thing. You can withdraw them once again, or you can buy Bitcoin with it. US dollar tether is the fiat currency of the crypto world, of course. And the more it gets printed, the more it gets put on exchanges, the more buying pressure we have. And of course, you know, Bitcoin gets withdrawn from exchanges. Like you can see it in this specific chart. We have been sharing that more and more here. You can see the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges gets contracted while the US dollar tether supply on exchanges gets expanded. And of course, this provides an unprecedented buying pressure for Bitcoin here right now. So this was very important. And if I'm zooming out here all the way back here to 2016, 2017, you see this is an absolute all-time high for US dollar tether deposits on exchanges, guys. So let me know what you think about this crazy statistics in the comment section down below. That would be very interesting to know, guys. And of course, you know the deal. In the pinned comment down below, if you scroll down to the pinned comment, there is a link for Glassnode. If you click this specific link and you put in your email address, your password, it's a completely free account. And with our link, you can get here a free Glassnode account. Of course, you can upgrade it to a professional account for more data, but with the free account, you are already getting a lot of nice data. So click the link below and get your free account. And of course, guys, it wouldn't be MMCrypto if we wouldn't be showing you another very important on-chain metric here, the percentage supply and profit. And here, big shout out to this tweet from Glassnode and also to you today for sharing that. You can see that Glassnode has been sharing currently 79% of all Bitcoin supply is in a state of profit. It has been steeply increasing since 45% low in March after Black Thursday. Historically, levels of 90% and higher have been clearly marked, pronounced Bitcoin BTC bull markets. And you can see it here in this specific chart that right now we were getting here out of this Black Thursday Corona dump crisis 45% in profit times here. 45% in profit means actually that the majority is holding and trading, not the majority of people, but the majority of Bitcoin, and this is a big deal, is actually trading here in a loss right now when it comes to the unspent transaction outputs. And this was of course a huge shakeout, taking the most amount of money from the most amount of people here, and right now it's recovering. And if we are going into the specific tweet of Glassnode, you can see that whenever we are reaching this levels here in the yellow areas above 90%, this is the time when we are going into the parabolic bull market. And right now Bitcoin seems to be in the path here of getting to the 90%. We are right now not there, and I'm calling here we are approximately in this territory here, which was the mid of 2016. And if this is the territory, the same territory of the mid of 2016, and many things are pointing towards that, also the stock to flow model with the first red dot, we have been sharing that yesterday. If this is the case, we can maybe expect another year, another 1.5 years of upwards price movements for Bitcoin, but let the time tell us what to do. Let's wait for the time to tell us how this actually pans out here for the long run. We can only hope that, yeah, the history repeats and we will see something like this. But you can let me know in the comment section down below, guys. And of course, if you want to take advantage of that volatile market situation right now, only do it if you're an experienced trader. But you know the deal we have in the pinned comment. If you scroll down to the pinned comment here on top of this comment section, $402 completely for free. All you have to do is click one of these links. We are using all of these 3 exchanges, and if you are clicking that, you get redirected. You put in your email address, your password, and after a 0.2 Bitcoin deposit, you get this free bonus, and you can trade with the free bonus, and you can also withdraw the profits from the free bonus. You don't even have to touch your own money you deposited. Of course you can if you're an experienced trader, but you can also only trade the free margin and withdraw the profits from there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for supporting us during this YouTube purge times. I truly appreciate that, and yes, it is not going unnoticed, guys. You are the best ones, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there, and we will see each other already tomorrow at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.